Susi ba ang dala-dala ng ating mga quiz? Kaya mo yan English? Mapapasabak ka din ng English speaking ngayon. Ayan, syempre. Ayan, magkakapatid naman po sila. Ayan, English speaking po talaga sila ba?
Pero nakakaintindi.
Wala po bang
Nakakaintindi
chance na
naman.
magtagalog sila?
Nakakaintindi naman.
Nakakaintindi naman. Oh, Tijoy, you're safe. Nakakaintindi daw ng Tagalog.
Mukhang mahirapan ako.
Mahirapan ka talaga dyan. Ayan, syempre, ask mo muna yung name ng ating kids.
Baby, what's your name?
Kia.
Iya, ayan si Kuya naman. Kuya Ken. Ano daw po?
Matt Kylie Rimaches, the
Mark,
full
Kuya Mark. Ayan, Kuya, what kind of keys did you bring? House key. Ayan man tayong house key. How about you, Kuya? What kind of key is that? Car key. And of course, si Baby.
That's a house key too.
House key. Ayan, lahat sila meron. How about you, Kuya? What's your name, Kuya?
JD.
Do you speak English or Tagalog?
English.
English. Do you understand Tagalog or no?
I understand.
Yes, I'm safe. Ayan, what kind of key did you bring?
Car keys.
Car keys. Ayan, si ate naman. Hi, ate. Ayan, maligalig si ate. Napaka-energetic ni ate. Ayan, ate. Hi, ate. What's your name? What's your name?
Kia.
Kia. Zia. Ayan, ate Zia, what kind of key did you bring?
Mommy.
Mami. Di Susi pala si Mami. Ayan. Ngayon lang namin nabalitaan yun. Ayan ate, English or Tagalog ate?
English.
English. Nakakaintindi mo ba ng Tagalog si ate? Do you understand Tagalog or no?
Yes.
Yes, so pwede pa rin tayo mag-English. Ayan. What kind of key did you bring ate? What kind of key is that?
House.
House key. Ayan, next naman si ate. Hi ate, what's your name?
Sophia.
Ate Sophia. How old are you ate?
I said.
Ay, nagbago yung isip ni ate. Ayan, what kind of key did